Alright, so my 2012 Mustang GT, I'm now getting a noise which sounds like the vent fan. So I'm going to take the console out first and then get behind the radio and a touch screen to try to find out where that fan is so that I can replace it. I'm going to try to record this as I'm doing it as much as I can. So first step is to take off the shifter knob, which is a little tough here with one hand, but comes off pretty easy. And then a lot of crap in here, but next is to lift the center console, release the rear. See, you can't get a good grip on this. Use two hands for this. So there, I was able to get a good grip here and pull up, which released the rear. Alright, so next there's some connectors I have to take off. For the trunk release, hazard, and traction control. And then there are a couple others here for the lights for the cup holder. So I'll take those off too. Alright, so I disconnected this clip. There's a release on this back side here, and just pull it down. And I connect it into here. Also, this connector. Which had a release right here. Let's see. Release is right here, and I plugged in to this green connector. We also have this wire here, which goes up into here. But since this is up and out of the way, I'm not going to disconnect that right now. I do have the car running because it's kind of cold outside, so I figured I'd try to keep it warm in here. So next I'm going to take off this front panel for the radio and the touch screen by removing these two bolts right here. So let me see if I have those tools on me. Okay, so it looks like 7mm. And I think the 9/32 socket would work also. 7mm fits better. soon as I release that bolt, the noise went away. Interesting. There it went again. Okay, so I found the noise. There's some sort of sensor here. I don't know if you can hear it when I tap it. The noise goes away. So that's definitely the noise. I'm going to order the part and replace it. Alright, the part came in, had to order it from Ford dealer. I couldn't find it anywhere online, but here's the info. Cost $53 from Ford. I don't know if anyone can find it cheaper online, but that's it. So I'm going to disconnect these two cables here. This one has a release on top. This one, the release is on the bottom. And then the part that just has two screws, one there, that you can loosen with a torque screwdriver. Alright, so here's the panel. Here are the two screws right here. I have to take out. So here's the bad part, the one that's making the noise. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little fan inside there. There's a sensor in front and a fan behind it. It sits in like this. So that's the part. Got the new one right here. I'm just gonna put that right in with the two screws. So the part's in, just have to snap this into place. You have to put the top in first, and it just snaps right in. Can't hear the rattling noise anymore, so it's fixed. Like I said, the part's right behind these vent holes. The guy at Ford said it was a, let's see, the name's on the box. I don't see the name of the part. He said it's a heat sensor, so heater sensor or heat sensor. So I'm going to put the rest of the console back together, which is laying over here in my passenger seat. I'll take this off first. Shifter knob, and then I need two hands to do it, so I'll put this right back on. So I hope this video helps anybody who may be experiencing the same problem. Later.